Baby, I must confess, yet in all my loneliness, I've forsaken and I've sinned, leaving fragments of a man so broken. Lord, have mercy on my soul, for I have walked the sin for us. So I'm gonna get down on my knees, beg forgiveness to help set me free. Lord, have mercy on me, please. Lord, have mercy on my soul. And I'm begging, I'm needing, I'm bleeding, I want you to know. Now I'm down upon my knees. Oh, Lord. Oh, I need forgiveness. I need forgiveness from you.
我看他发挥的这么好，其实我还是挺慌的，我在后边，所以再不把自己的东西给秀出来的话，那就没机会。
She was more like a beauty queen from a movie scenes. I sat on my butt, what do you mean I ain't the one who would dance on the floor and run? She told me her name is Billie Jean, but I caused the sin. I said on my butt, what do you mean I ain't the one who would dance on the floor and run? Well, people always told me, be careful what you do. Don't go around breaking young girls' hearts. Well, mother always told me, be careful what you dare. Be careful who you love, 'cause life becoming truth. Billie Jean, it's not my lover. She just a girl who said I am the one. And the kid, it's not my son. Billie Jean, it's not my lover. She just a girl who said I am the one. And the kid, it's not my son. Billie Jean, it's not my lover. She just a girl who said I am the one. And the kid, it's not my son. It's not my son. It's not my son. It's not my son. It's not my son.
我今天做这个决定，取决于其中一位的音乐性更强一点。黄稔钦可以继续留在我的战队。
在 PK 的过程里面，因为黄稔钦他自己会弹吉他，会做一些编曲，会让他跟音乐的发挥性更强更高。